y'all, we are on our way to Colorado Springs, and it's going to be a slow and steady ride because here is our point of view.
Wolf Creek Pass.
We're about, what, 9,300 elevation right now, maybe higher than that now, but 10,200 elevation. We are following this sand and salt truck and just staying behind him and rolling on this fresh sand.
Hoping we don't get in trouble, because I'm pretty sure the sign said chains required.
And we do not have any chains.
So we're just taking it slow and steady.
We don't really have a choice right now. We have to at least go this portion of the route. We can turn off later, but right now this is our only route. So it's very slow and steady. We're going 27 miles an hour right now. So it's going to take us a little while, but that's okay. We don't have anywhere really to be today. So we're going to enjoy the view, even if that view is salt and sand being thrown in our face.
Yep. It's all right. I'm just going to sit here and stay behind him and take our time.
I mean, it really is a pretty drive. It's just...
Look at the snow sparkling.
Yeah.
Slow and steady.
Put your hands in your pocket. We're bats.
Your bats? So after a long, slow, stressful drive, we finally made it to the North Pole safely, and the girls were super excited to finally be out of the truck.
Hold somebody's hand. I'm flying up back.
Hey, Nicole.
What? Here we go. North Pole again. At least it's nice this time.
Yeah?
Where are we going? Can I touch this?
Well, we're here at the North Pole Santa's Workshop in Colorado Springs. It's at the base of Pikes Peak. If you can kind of see that behind me. We're gonna go in here and ride some rides, see Santa. The girls love it here. They're really excited.
So, since Nicole doesn't have her sunglasses, it is super pretty outside. The sun's bright. But Aunt Steph came up to Colorado Springs and surprised the girls. Lila, you excited?
Yeah! I'm gonna see what right there, and I'm gonna go on that one. I think I'm gonna go on the big Santa slide.
You want to go on the big Santa slide?
I'm gonna go on first. Can you hold my hand on there? Yes.
You excited?
Hello.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, go up there, Mama. When you get your tickets for the North Pole, you got to set up a certain time to be there. We chose the earliest time possible, and it always makes it easier and quicker to get into the North Pole. Bye! Did y'all go in a tunnel? Awesome! If you've never been to the North Pole in Colorado Springs, I definitely recommend it, especially if you've got little kids. I used to come here whenever I was the girls' age, and it really hasn't changed. A lot of the things, minor things, have been updated, but I'm pretty sure these little old cars are probably the same ones that I rode when I was a little kid. But I know that slide has been here since I was a little kid, because I rode that same slide down. Here come the girls. You gonna pop a wheelie, Lila?
This is fun, Lila.
got a horn. Yeah. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
We can do it. We'll do it
Do it
again.
after a while.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look at all the other rides.
Lila, what'd you think?
Run!
Have fun, Nicole.
Too old for this. Hold on. You can sit close to mommy if you want. Here we go.
Was that fun?
I didn't even think everybody would like it.
All right, you ready, girls?
Yeah. Ready again.
This is the girls' first attempt at the tilt-a-whirl.
Daddy, it's about to start. You better hold on to that.
Oh, I'll hold on to it.
You're sitting down. You can't because of this.
Gotta hold on. Here we go.
Oh, we're gonna go. Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Ready? Ready? Here we go all the way. You okay?
Yeah. Whoa.
Lay your head back.
Lay your head back.
That way.
There you go.
Is that better? Yeah.
You want to go very fast?
No.
No? It's not too bad, is it?
Nope.
Okay, here we go. Okay, there's the bell.
We're done. We're stopping.
Hear the brakes? It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. We're done. We're done.
I was scared too, but now it's over. It's over.
It's over, baby.
I'm not going on that again. I'm a little scared. It's okay.
Yeah.
That wasn't fun.
No, not that one.
You didn't like it?
No, at all. But I like that one. Let's go see if that. that Santa guy.
Is that not your favorite? No.
Not really.
Hey, Everly, tell me about the tilt-a-whirl.
Tell Daddy about the tilt.
Tell me about it.
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
That looks flowy.
To be the photo, there's plenty of room next to Santa and behind Santa. If you don't want to be the photo, you can come up by the desk and take your own. Here, y'all can sit right next to Santa.
So-
Go plan, go plan. We're gonna look right here, loves. Big smile, same cheese. Awesome, look at mom.
Look at mom. Ready? Velveeta.
Velveeta.
And then mom, you want to take a look real quick? Make sure they look good.
All right. What would you like for Christmas?
That's cute. Yeah, I like that.
All right. What would you like?
I would like it
A hula hoop.
Make this or one to hula hoop too, right?
And
Yeah.
an elf that goes all over the house. All right. You two gonna be
Good?
good listeners?
Yes.
The first time? You're
The
not gonna
first
wait for
time.
mom to raise her voice to get your attention? You're gonna work on
That's
She's
that?
like, I'm
questionable.
not promising nothing.
And no more rolling your eyes when mom tells you to do something?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
You got 33 days. I know you can work on these things, okay?
Be good
All right.
girls.
All
We'll
right.
see
right.
you in 5 more Sundays for Christmas.
Yep, it's almost
You
time.
excited? Better tell him bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Y'all give us
Y'all
a
too.
call.
Thank you.
I think it was There you go.
Good job.
Mommy, I got 2 points.
There you go.
We're going on the train.
You ready to ride the train?
Yeah.
actually on the last leg of our trip, heading
home.
home, finally. We had a great trip. We just got done with Thanksgiving dinner with some family. We are stuffed. Not eating again until tomorrow. But, so all in all on our trip, we went from Lubbock to Amarillo and we spent the night. Then we drove to Durango. We stayed 2 nights in Durango. Then we drove over to Colorado Springs. Stayed 2 nights in Colorado Springs. Drove back to Amarillo, spent the night, had Thanksgiving, and now we're headed home. So we haven't been home in a week. But it's good. It's fun. We had a great time. We had a great trip. The girls had a lot of fun. Did y'all have fun on your trip?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Fulaim X5.
Polar Express.
Yeah.
What about you, Lila?
All of it.
All of it?
Except the Turbo
Except the Tilt-A-Whirl. They had a traumatic experience on the Tilt-A-Whirl.
and the Scramble.
And the Scrambler. So that was not their favorite part. But it was fun. We got a little derailed at Garden of the Gods. I'm really sad. I want to go back specifically to visit there again and shoot some content and some pictures. But we had fun. We had a good trip. We got out just before the snowstorm was hitting today and tomorrow.
The only downside to our entire trip, while getting gas at Circle K in Colorado Springs, a guy, we're driving through the parking lot, and this guy's in a van. It's a work van, no windows in it, backs up straight into the truck. So luckily, we're very fortunate. Minor damage, didn't stop us from coming home. There's a little dent and some scratches on the fender, the rear fender back by the dual, and a pretty good scratch and scuff on the wheels. So he had insurance, we exchanged information. I was pretty upset at first. Nicole was laughing because I jumped out of the truck with a shirt on with a big unicorn on it. So
I mean, he was hot, and he jumps out of the truck. He was so mad, and he runs over that guy, and he has a unicorn shirt on. So if any of y'all are familiar with Bluey, it was a unicorn shirt.
So all you Bluey fans, I have a unicorn shirt, and
should have seen a grown man raging in a unicorn shirt after.
raging.
Well, it wasn't raging,
But all in all, best case scenario, got a small dent, a few scratches. Guy had insurance and everything. We swapped information. Hopefully get it all taken care of, but didn't keep us from coming home. We had a blast, had a lot of fun. So hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, we hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you out there soon.
Everybody stay safe.